When it comes to making a lasting impression, your home's exterior is the first thing people notice. In Gilbert, where well-kept neighborhoods and pride of ownership are part of the community's charm, curb appeal matters more than ever. One of the most effective ways to enhance the look and value of your home is by upgrading to replacement windows. Beyond their functional benefits, replacement windows can dramatically transform the style, comfort, and attractiveness of your property. A fresh, modern look old, worn, or mismatched windows can drag down the appearance of even the most beautiful homes. Fading frames, cracked glass, or outdated styles create an impression of neglect. By contrast, new replacement windows immediately refresh your home's exterior. Modern designs come in a variety of materials and finishes, allowing you to choose options that perfectly complement your home's architecture. Whether you live in a traditional ranch-style house or a sleek contemporary build, replacement windows bring a polished, cohesive look that instantly boosts curb appeal. Customization to match your style. Every Gilbert home has its unique personality, and replacement windows give you the flexibility to highlight that character. From elegant bay windows that add dimension to your facade, to clean-lined casement windows that bring a modern flair, customization is key. Frame colors, grid patterns, and hardware finishes allow homeowners to match or contrast with siding, stonework, and landscaping. This tailored approach not only enhances visual appeal but also helps your home stand out in a neighborhood where details make a difference. Energy efficiency with style. Curb appeal isn't just about looks, it's also about value. Today's replacement windows are designed with advanced energy-efficient features, such as low-E coatings, insulated frames, and double or triple pane glass. In Gilbert's sunny climate, this means better indoor comfort and reduced cooling costs during hot summers. Potential buyers often see energy-efficient windows as an attractive upgrade. They signal that the home has been cared for and modernized, making your property more appealing on the market. Stylish design paired with functional benefits gives homeowners the best of both worlds. Maximizing natural light. Few features brighten a home like natural light. Old windows often become cloudy or discolored, blocking sunlight and dulling interiors. Replacement windows with clear, high-performance glass not only refresh your view but also flood your home with light. From the street, bright interiors visible through sparkling windows give your house a welcoming, lively appearance. It's a subtle yet powerful way replacement windows improve curb appeal both inside and out. Low-maintenance beauty. In a busy town like Gilbert, homeowners value upgrades that don't require constant upkeep. Replacement windows made from vinyl, fiberglass, or treated wood are built to withstand the desert climate without warping, peeling, or fading. This durability ensures that your home's curb appeal remains intact for years to come. Instead of dealing with constant repainting or repairs, you can enjoy windows that maintain their fresh look with minimal effort. Adding value to your property. Curb appeal isn't just about making your home look good for neighbors, it's also about increasing its value. Replacement windows are consistently ranked among the top home improvement projects for return on investment. A more attractive exterior combined with lower energy bills makes your property more desirable should you decide to sell. For Gilbert homeowners, that means standing out in a competitive market and attracting buyers who appreciate a home that's both beautiful and functional. Final thoughts. Replacement windows are more than just functional upgrades, they're a design statement that elevates your home's exterior. In Gilbert, where curb appeal carries significant weight, investing in new windows is a smart way to refresh your property, improve efficiency, and add long-term value. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to fall in love with your home's exterior again, replacement windows are a powerful solution to boost curb appeal and make your house the standout on the block.